Hey guys, Mark Holmes here, and as always, thank you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing to the Nobu Sports Report. Without you guys, this literally does not work. You know, it's funny because they always tell me don't quit your day job, and taking care of some business here. We have water stains below here, and a couple of plumbers have been in, they've looked at it, and they can't figure out what happened. So, one thing I noticed is when they did the tile work, this kind of goes back downhill, so water sits here. There was actually mold there. So I thought about that, and having gone through this kind of stuff before, I've had where the overflow gasket, excuse me, the gasket has dry rotted out, and then take a bath, it goes over and drains that way. So I eliminated those. So then it only seems to do it, as she says, because we were here before, we let it run for like 15 minutes and nothing happened. She said it only does it after it's been running for a while. So I thought maybe the supply line going up here, maybe there's a leak in that. So we've been running it and running it and running it. We filled up the bathtub, we changed the gasket in there, and we actually put in an access panel right here, and we looked at the supply line. So we cannot find it, and so we thought maybe, just maybe, it's the seal in there. So down below, when I was here before, they had cut in holes in the ceiling. And so I'm repairing the drywall, and here's where I had to actually become an investigator. So we've opened the space up here so we can replace the drywall. You look up above us, you'll see that's the supply line. Everything's dry in there. But here's where I found out what the real culprit is. Right here, the drywall was actually damaged. The tub ends right here. So the water wasn't running off of the thing over there. What it is we're told that the homeowner takes extremely long showers, long hot showers. And with that bathroom being so small, what can happen is all the steam, the heat and everything builds up. And what's happening is it's condensating on the drain line here. Because the AC's on, it's cooling everything down. It's like a Coke can outside in the summertime, how it sweats. And that's what we believe has happened. So it kind of makes sense, and we'll find out if that's actually the case or not, but wow. It's amazing what you have to kind of go through to try and figure out the smallest of leaks. So we're going to patch these holes up. We're going to get some insulation and go around the ductwork, so that way if they're taking long showers again, it'll keep it from sweating. All right, like they always say, don't quit your day job.